Welcome to the Wong Reviewer. My name is Will. We do tech unboxing, tech reviews, and tech tutorials. And in today's episode, I am reviewing the Naenka Pro Lite wireless earbuds, which I have right now. And so the sound you're hearing from me is actually from the microphone that's coming from the earbuds. If you're in the market for some budget-friendly earbuds that is easy to set up, has nice features and functions, looking for nice music quality as well as a good fit, these are the ones for you. Just a disclaimer, Naenka did reach out to me and sent this unit to me for a review in exchange for a video. However, all opinions expressed in this video are my own. So what I'm going to talk about today is I'm going to do a quick unboxing. I'm going to review how to set up and pair it with your smartphone. I'm going to review some of the features and functions of these earbuds and talk about my overall experience. As you're watching the video and find it helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up, like the video, and consider subscribing to my channel for similar content. Okay, so let's get to the unboxing. First of all, it says Naenka and says the best gift, and we'll check that out. It has Bluetooth 5.0, AAC, it has ENC noise cancelling for using the microphone, 13mm large aperture drivers, dual host flash, and it's lightweight, with each one weighing 4 grams. In terms of packaging, it was really well done. It's really well protected. And here's just a quick look at the Naenka charging case. In terms of accessories, as I rip open the box here, it comes with a charging cable. And it's a USB Type-A to a USB Type-C charging cable. Just doing a quick comparison between the AirPods Pro charging case with the Naenka charging case. You can see the Naenka charging case is round, it's a less of a footprint. And in the literature, it states that the battery can hold up to 21 hours of charge. So take a quicker look. So that's the 13mm aperture driver inside. It has a sensor right there. So if you take it out, it'll automatically stop playing. And then it has a microphone on the top. And then the charging port at the bottom. And then, like I said, there's some physical buttons, which I'll review in a second. So I just want to do a comparison with my AirPods Pro. You can see that the Naenka earbuds have a longer stem. Also has some physical buttons on the outside. Doesn't have a silicone tip for a better seal, but it's a one size fit all. And I'll talk about that in my video. In terms of charging, it flashes red while it's charging, and it takes about 4 to 5 hours to charge. And then once it's all done, it turns green. And pairing was very, very simple. As soon as you take out one earbud, Bluetooth automatically activates on my phone. You can see the Naenka Pro Lite option shows up, and then I just tap on it. And as soon as I tap on it, the flashing light on the Naenka earbud stops, which means it's connected. One of the great features about the Naenka Pro Lite earbuds is it has haptic and touch controls built into your earbuds. So for me to start and stop music, I double tap. If I want to increase volume on my right earbud, I tap once. On my left earbud, if I tap, it will decrease volume. If I want to skip songs, I just press and squeeze the bottom here, advance. And on the left earbud, if I touch and squeeze, it will repeat the song. Another great feature of the Naenka Pro Lite earbuds is you can use one or the other earphone to listen to music. So for instance, I can just listen to music on my right ear. However, with the touch and haptic controls, it's only tied to a particular earbud. So for instance, on my right earbud, it only increases volume and allows me to skip songs. That means if I'm just wearing one earbud, that's the only option I can do. I can't, decrease the volume, or I can't repeat song because that's located on the left earbud. So just be cognizant of that. Yes, you can listen to it individually, which is great, but just be mindful that the controls are limited to one earbud. In terms of music quality coming from the headphones, I am not an audiophile by any means, and when I compare them to my AirPods Pro, I have to say that it sounds almost similar to the quality I get from them. In terms of the music I listen to and to the podcasts I listen to, I have no complaints about the music quality. Another feature of the Naenka Pro Lite earbuds is the claim to low latency, especially for mobile gaming. Now, for games like Call of Duty, where it's important that you know where the shots are coming from or people coming behind you, having sound match what you're seeing on screen is very important. And so this claims it has the low latency of all the earbuds. And in terms of my own experience in trying it out, I have to say there is no latency. When I'm playing Call of Duty, I can see and hear and shoot and everything's fine, and there's no issues. So next I want to talk about is fit and how well does it stay in your ear. So I'm moving my head, it stays in place. I'm doing jumping jacks here, and I ran with it for a bit, and it stays in place and it doesn't come out. So in terms of fit, and you're worried about it coming loose, you don't have to worry about it all. It works fine. Again, if I'm shaking my head, it doesn't come out and it fits snugly in the ear. And this is a one-size-fits-all ear tip. And like I said, in my own test, using it, no issues at all. All right, so that concludes my video of the Naenka Pro Lite earbuds. I'll leave a link in the description below to the Naenka product page for the Pro Lite earbuds. I would definitely recommend that you would check it out. All right, if you have any questions or comments, please leave it down below. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time.